Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into accounts. Google.com and go straight to security. This starts the process now. Once there, locate two-step verification and click Get Started. You may be prompted to re-enter your password. Do that because Google needs to confirm it's you. Make sure your primary phone is nearby for the verification prompt. If a prompt appears, approve it, otherwise choose text or call. This initial authentication enables the settings where backup code's live, so complete it before moving on. Once done with initial verification, scroll to the backup codes section and choose Manage. This reveals the option to generate codes. Click Generate and Google will produce a set of 10 single-use numeric codes. Each works once. You must save them, copy to a secure password manager, print them, or write them down and store them safely. If you ever use a code, mark it used. Make sure to generate new codes if you believe any were exposed, because old ones immediately become unsafe. To finish, sign out and test one backup code during sign-in. This verifies they work. If the code is accepted, you're done. If you lose the list, regenerate backup codes. Google invalidates prior codes when you create new ones. If a code is rejected, double-check you typed it correctly, watch for similar digits like 0 and O, and try another code. If you cannot sign in, use an alternate verification method or follow Google account recovery prompts to regain access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.